Hi, in today's video I'm going to acid wash or bleach old clothes. It works best on dark clothes, so I picked out two black items I almost never wear. I used two different ways to bleach my items. The first one, I just filled the bottle with half bleach, half water, and then I just sprayed it until I thought it was tight enough. For the bodycon dress, I used rubber bands to tie it together, and that worked really well. It was way easier, and I just sprayed some of the pieces. Let's look at the results.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Thank you for watching this week's video.